one. We have Theobroma. It's like this really famous cafe in Bangalore, and we've got several good reviews about this. So today I'm actually going to be reviewing all its food because I haven't seen many reviews on this restaurant. So I thought, why not visit this and actually give you a taste of the food. So the first food that I'll be trying is a chicken and mayonnaise sandwich. It's like, it looks pretty good and I just can't wait to go there. So, it's pretty good. It's got this rich, creamy feeling to it, so that just elevates this entire thing. And the touch of mayonnaise makes it like more savory. Really good. It's also very soft and you get to choose it and they just heat it for you, so it also feels fresh. So it's very good for non-veg lovers who are also a big fan of cheese and chicken together. Now, the next thing is pain au chocolat. I read this in my friend's textbook. I've never actually tried it, so it looks pretty appetizing. You can see it's very nicely made. You can actually see the chocolate oozing out of it. So here goes. It's awesome. It's filled with molten chocolate on the inside. And it's not too sweet, like that's a huge problem in the other croissant, and it's awesome. How am I doing? So the next thing is baked cheesecake, and it's like this New York style cheesecake. You can see the crust over here, it's very fine, and the topping is also good. I think the main important thing is that the crust is not that thick, so here it goes. I've tried many cheesecakes all over Bangalore, and this gives a tough competition to my favorite one. It's very beautiful and it's not too sweet. The cheese is like perfect. It's perfectly, the texture is coming out, and the New York style of baking, you can clearly see it. And there is also a hint of coffee flavor. I don't know how, but it also has to be enough flavor. Yeah. This is chicken and cheese puff. It looks very crunchy. Let's dig in. Okay, it's not as good as the other one. It's kind of dry, but the chicken is really well cooked. It's not like, it's absolutely fresh on the inside, and the chicken is absolutely well cooked, but the cheese is not coming out that much. It's a bit dry actually, but it's good. So this is a Easter special, hot cross buns. It's filled with raisins. It's like topped up with raisins, and it looks just so appetizing. It looks fresh also. So you can see on the inside, it's like there's this puree and it's very good. It just melts in your mouth. And the raisins provide a perfect complement to the inner puree, and it just echoes the flavor of like plum and raspberry. That's it. Speaking of Theobroma, I've heard so much about it and I'm really excited to try it out. And I've watched a lot of videos on cheesecake and tarts, and I've tried quite a bit of them inside and outside India. So let's start. As you can see, the 3 layers of the cheesecake are perfect. The topping is like kind of like a zebra topping. Inside the cheesecake looks very appetizing. It doesn't look rock hard like it's on some cheesecakes, and the crust is also very thin. Like it's not that thick, which is like perfect. So there's the perfect ratio of the 3 layers. I'm really happy to see that. Okay, so let's have it now. it rocks. The cream cheese of the cheesecake has this tinge of sourness, and it just it melts in your mouth as you try to eat it. And when you have the lowest layer is also, I think it has a bit of lemon in it, and it perfectly echoes the sourness of the green cheese. And the topping is also has a hint of tea, I think, and it has a perfect flavor. And flavor-wise, it's a huge 10 on 10. And I think the technique used to make it was also like very appropriate, so it's very good. So ambience-wise also, you can see this is, it's very beautiful. The food is also really nice. It's like it has a huge dinner scale. So on the recommendation point out of 10 as the points I give, this will be a rough 8.59. So